You gonna shoot me? Shoot me! But don't shoot the cat!
As far as you're gonna go is jail, that's it.
I'm not going!
Oh, you're gonna go today, sir. You just gotta deal with it.
On Monday, March 25th, 2024, at approximately 6 a.m., Detective Gennaro Barrero, along with additional officers assigned to the Staten Island Warrant Squad, initiated an investigation to locate the 30-year-old Marcelino Allende, who was wanted for an assault in the second degree with a weapon. The investigation brought the Warrant Squad officers to 101 Daniel Low Terrace, Staten Island, where Allende was known to reside in an apartment at that location. After refusing to answer the door when cops banged on it at 6:20 a.m., he tried to crawl down his fire escape, only to find cops waiting for him on the ground. He was holding a small gray cat as he screamed and cursed at the cops, refusing to comply with their orders. Allende again refused and went back into his apartment, forcing the cops to kick in the door. When cops found him inside, he had the cat in one hand and a knife in the other. The officers tased him, bringing him to the ground, but Allende still refused to drop the knife and slashed at cops as they drew closer. Barrero fired off a shot in the madness, hitting no one. As soon as the shot was fired, Allende's bluster evaporated. He dropped the knife and raised his hands in surrender.
I'm not going in there, dude.
Just relax, man. We'll get you in and out.
In and out of what? Stop talking. Stop talking.
A perp on fire escapes.
Yeah, dude. How you gonna say some gangster shit like that?
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Students are coming over to the same location when one day, I said you'll be up and rush.
How you do that?
Fine, 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 off.
Bro? What type of nigga are you, bro? You can't let me slide through? Slide through.
Guys, just be careful. I don't know what you got to do.
You got a cat.
Cat? A fucking cat? You gonna shoot me for a cat? You gonna shoot me? Shoot me! But don't shoot the cat!
Well, then, if you want the cat to stay safe, you gotta come down, man.
Hey, yo, listen, man.
I'm listening.
I'm about to die. You
Okay.
talk about me being safe?
Why you gonna die?
Cause you gonna kill me. I'm not letting you handcuff me.
I ain't gonna kill you, I can tell you that for sure.
I'm not letting you handcuff me.
As far as you're gonna go is jail, that's it.
I'm not going!
Oh, you're gonna go today, sir. You just gotta deal with it.
I'm not. I bet you kill me.
Okay.
Wanna bet?
We gotta do what we gotta do, man. You're coming in today, so just
I'm
deal
not
with it.
going in.
Okay.
Hey guys, the apartment that he's in right now, is that the one that you guys are looking at?
Yeah, the door. Yeah, it's a man on the door.
I ain't
Control Sergeant, I have a suspicious person coming over at the same location. Permit 2 Frank, no policies, unknown person banging.
That shit used
Center's
me.
running the same. That's also one. Knock on the
She
door.
full advantage
That's the
of a
subject.
good
Apartment.
man. For her. They did everything for her, man.
Yes, sir.
I did everything.
Well, you still gotta do what you gotta do.
Guys.
John.
You guys are fucking fucked. No! You understand?
4.
I got no
Four.
family. I got nothing to lose. Leave me alone. Fuck you. I don't want to die. I want to fuck you. Fuck.
All right, John. Let patrol here. We're gonna go to the stairs.
Shut the fuck up! I want to die.
Yeah, I'm on deep.
Fine, fine, 8-4.
Sarge,
Fuck you.
just stay here with the one of the guys here. We gotta go to the stairs.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to do this.
Right,
I'm
go.
not calming down. Fuck this.
Let's go.
I want to die.
Get back in, Jake.
Yeah, we can.
Oh boy, rolling. Warrant, Sergeant.
That's what we want.
You got it outside.
What's the what, Sergeant?
Warrant, Sergeant.
Warrant, Sergeant.
So the subject's if I could have a couple units just stay outside, I will come inside.
That's one. One still Adam? Yeah, we'll be 8-4.
No.
That's
This
one.
stick. So I'll hold this. That's your.
Warrant, Sergeant, you have ESU rolling?
That's all we care about.
That's fine. Keep your advised.
Priorities.
It's not gonna be here. Yeah.
Keep this thing in here.
Warrant, Sergeant, if I could have one unit come to the roof as well.
How you doing?
One unit, go to the roof location.
Hold on.
What happened?
Going down, going down.
Coming down.
It's not going to the low floor.
What happened?
Jersey Tree, Richmond Harris, for elderly woman.
We don't anymore.
Oh,
Taser! Give me another taser! Tase!
Alright. Alright.
Shot fire! Shot fire! Shot fire! Move around! Move around!
Alright.
Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
No resistance. No resistance. No resistance. No resistance. The cat to the. The cat to. The cat to.
Cops charged Allende with menacing a police officer, weapon possession, obstructing government administration, and resisting arrest. He was also charged with assault and harassment for the March 18th incident that brought police to his door. The cat hasn't been seen since the incident.